I'm missing 2 toes on my right foot.
Hey guys, it's Arel. Welcome to 12 Days of Cookies, Day 2. Today, I'm hanging out with my friend, Duff.
Hey, buddy.
Super amazing, talented friend, Duff. What cookie are we making today?
There's a cookie from my childhood. It's called a Hamantaschen. Some people call it a Hamantaschen. I like Hamantaschen. I don't know. It's how we.
Is it like tomato?
Yeah. So it's a cookie. It's actually for the holiday of Purim, which is a biblical story. There's a bad guy in the story, and his name is Haman. And he wears a 3-cornered hat. And so the cookie itself has 3 corners, and this is sort of the cookie of the festival. But like, even though Purim happens at a different time of year, like, I don't know, the holidays is like cookie season.
You guys, these cookies are delicious. I've eaten way too many of them. Even last week, I think I had 10.
Did you really?
Yes. Look what I got, Duff. Boom!
Whoa!
Duff's got his cookie book, all right? And there is a recipe for these cookies in there.
There are.
Also a reminder, we did a show together. It was for Halloween Cookie Challenge for Food Network, and it is now available online to watch. So if you missed it for Halloween, watch it for the holidays.
I feel like there's a lot of technique from that show that you could definitely do holiday cookie decorating with.
Oh, yeah.
Let's make some cookies.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get started. That was perfect. That was perfect. It's like you have been doing this forever. So in front of us, I've got a bunch of our ingredients to make this dough. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below. So if you want to follow along and make these at home, you can. All right, Duff, what's first here?
You want to start with the dry? I would add your salt to your flour.
Okay.
Let's put the zest in with the butter. The oil from the skin and the oil from the butter will mix together, and you will then lemon flavor everything. You want a cream?
Yeah, I can do that.
All right, so now let's cream the butter and the zest, and
oh, that smells so good.
I'm gonna add a little sugar at a time so we don't make a mess. Yeah, that's looking good. I'm gonna add vanilla.
This is also great arm workout, you guys. If baking was a sport, like a professional sport, this would be its season.
I mean, we've made it a professional sport when you think about it.
Yeah, it should be in the Olympics.
Man, well, there's the Coupe du Monde.
The
Coupe du Monde.
Well,
The World Cup.
I've never been invited.
Well, these guys are much better than you and
Us, yeah. If baking is a sport, we should be on the cover of Sports Illustrated. You guys call us.
Yeah, well, the thing is, like, these guys are really good, but we're funny. All right, so that's the egg.
Okay.
Let's start adding the flour.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'll do half. Okay, maybe I did half. So maybe my fractions weren't the best.
Whatever, you're eyeballing it, it's fine. All right, let's do the other half.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this.
Do the other.
Oh gosh.
You're doing
there
great.
we go. Okay.
Don't chew my thumb off.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try not to do that.
I need it. I'm missing 2
trust
toes
myself.
on my right foot.
Did you get that in a motorcycle accident?
Look. That's why you shouldn't get a motorcycle.
I don't think I can.
No. That looks good. I think we can finish it with our hands.
Right on. When it happened, did you kick your bike?
No, I was kind of laying on the ground.
Gotcha.
My foot had been chewed up by my clutch like a wood chipper. Yeah. Yeah, this still looks great.
Oh. Happy holidays, everybody.
Nice dough.
This looks good.
Yeah, that's a good looking dough. Here's a fun trick. Take a piece of plastic wrap and lay it on the table. Take about half of the dough. All right, and then I'm gonna put this dough on one side, then take this guy, fold it over like this. You just want to flatten it out. Now, what this is going to do is a couple things. One, much less work later on. When this comes out of the fridge, it's already basically rolled out. You don't have a lot more work to do. This is also going to chill really fast. So we'll put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes.
Stop! It's cookie time! I'm just kidding. Our dough has chilled in the fridge. It's ready to go. So what's the next step? What do we do here?
Now let's roll it out. A little flour. When you throw it,
what?
You get like a nice sort of...
Can I try? I've never thrown the dough. I've only done the sprinkle.
Just throw it.
Like skipping a rock?
Yeah. You're a pro.
Okay, I'm gonna start doing that.
A little bit on top. Rolling pins are a very personal preference. Some people like a nice big heavy rolling pin. Some people like something lighter. I don't like handles. We're gonna cut these out. You wanna make sure that when you cut these, that they are as close as possible together so you get the most amount of cookies out of your dough. Let's get these out. Now this is getting really soft.
What didn't make the cut is us talking for 25 minutes. And if you're talking like us for a very long time, your dough may get warm again and get soft so you can pop it back in the fridge to chill. Now just keep transferring your cookies to this baking sheet. And once we're done, we'll clean up. We've got our cookies cut out. I covered them with a little piece of plastic here so that they wouldn't get too dry. Then over here in some piping bags, I have a raspberry jam and an apricot jam. So we're gonna pipe a little teaspoon.
Yeah, you gotta make the noise or it doesn't work.
We fold one side.
Fold and then just pinch the top. And then you do your second fold. You pinch the top and the bottom. And then your third fold, you go above the corner that you pinched, but then below the corner that you didn't pinch. And now it kind of, it sort of goes. And you can kind of clean up the sides a little bit.
Perfect.
Nice.
Okay, so we just fold all of these. Just do this to the rest of your cookies and then pop them in the fridge again to chill.
You chill.
You chill. These cookies were pretty easy to make. Now, is there anything that you can do afterwards?
Absolutely. So here's the thing. The way that we've made these, this is a very traditional Hamantaschen. If you wanted to play with these a little bit, you could egg wash them. You could sprinkle a little sanding sugar on there. And that's before they go in the oven. After they come out of the oven, if you want, you could do like a little sprinkle of powdered sugar, a little chocolate drizzle if you wanted to get real crazy.
Whoa. This one, I kind of curved the edges too much. It perhaps look like a Star Trek insignia. So this one we're gonna make super geeky over here. Well, I'm gonna eat this one, so don't worry about this
Wait, we gotta
one.
bake it. All right, so we're gonna bake these off at 350 degrees for like 15, 20 minutes.
And ta-da! Here are the Hamantaschen cookies that we made today. A big thank you to Duff. Duff, thank you for helping me make these.
They're beautiful. Are you sure you're not Jewish?
I mean,
You got dark hair.
I know.
Do you want raspberry or
apricot?
apricot?
I love, I'm gonna have them both, but I'll start with this one.
Okay, I'll start with
let's
this one.
cheers.
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 A little crispy.
You guys, if you're looking for a delicious cookie to make for the holidays, give these a go. Again, a big thanks to you guys for watching. I hope you're having very happy holidays. And a big thank you to Duff for helping me bake today.
Oh no, you're amazing.
Oh my gosh, I just adore him. And you're truly talented. And again, go check out our show. I know it's the holidays, it's not Halloween, but you can stream it online. You can watch it anytime. It's called Halloween Cookie Challenge and it's a blast. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
You remembered!
I remembered! I know, I'm like a natural.
Yes.
I'm a
Woo!
YouTuber.
Yeah, you are. Well, you will be soon.
I have a feeling.
All right, bye guys.